welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share any of my videos. If you guys have any requests, please comment in the comments section below, or you can even email me. My email is in the description below. Also, I am taking emails as well. If you guys are having any issues with any of your tech, then feel free to email me and I will try my best to help you guys out. So I'm going to start by saying that I've recently created a website. You can see it right here on my screen right now. There's a bunch of different tabs that I have. The website's, of course, called howtotechtips.com. And basically, the main function, but I think for this website, is the forms section. So you click on forms. Here, you will find all of your, troubleshooting. If you want to sell, your Microsoft equipment, Apple equipment. There's just tutorials and laptops. Sometimes one person may have an error. I might not have the message, but somebody else might. Before open discussion for everybody that needs help with their technology. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapter problems that are on Windows 11. Let's get started. So first we're going to want to open up our settings. And from here, there is a network troubleshooter that we can navigate to. And in the systems section, we're going to go all the way down to troubleshoot. Left click on that. And then from this menu that we see right here, we're going to just click on other troubleshooters. And then from this menu that we have, we're going to go navigate to the others section. And we're going to scroll down until we see network adapters. And we're going to just left click on run. And we're going to just let this run. Here it tells us to select the network adapter to diagnose. Ours is just going to be the Wi-Fi. Hit next. And if the troubleshooter cannot identify any problems at all, then the next thing you're going to want to do is close that. And then we're going to want to go to the network and internet settings. And from here, we can go to advanced network settings. And then from this menu right here, after we've entered the advanced network settings, we can go to network reset. And here, basically, it will tell you to remove and reinstall all network adapters, set other components back to their original settings, and just reinstall any other software that you've had on here before. Your PC will be restarted. So, as soon as you hit reset, PC will reset, and then it will start basically restoring the network settings, which is drivers and all the other things. And that's basically it. And after that, your network settings should go back to functioning. Thanks guys for watching. I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.